We just received the new scanner from Shining3d. This is their all new EinScan RIGIL. Their hybrid all wireless scanner. It's able to do IR and blue laser, and it's able to scan, process, convert into a mesh all in one, wirelessly without you using a computer. So right now we're using the blue laser mode to scan the fender on this Evo. But before we tell you more about what we think and our first impressions, why don't we check out what comes in the box. Look at this. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. To a little bit of a backstory about how we started using their Shining3d products. So we started off with their EinStar, the basic $1,000 scanner that we had. But you know, at SEMA we talked to them, we met up with them, and then we got in contact, and they sent us their free scan combo after. So we started using that around the shop, which has the the blue laser. This scanner is their new and upcoming RIGIL. This is their wireless hybrid scanner. So this could also do blue laser, and it could also do IR, which is like what the EinStar is only capable of. But this is an upgrade from the EinStar and performance-wise because it has the blue laser, but also it's not as good as a free scan combo. So it's like in the middle ground somewhere. So even a brief price breakdown, the EinStar is $1,000. This is about $4,000, and then the free scan combo is $20,000. Yeah, so there's a EinStar Vega, which is on the similar ground level. It's just that the Vega is also wireless, but this one has a blue laser technology in it. So this one is an upgrade from the Vega. The scanner could be just wireless by itself, or it could be hardwired to the computer like a normal scanner, or it could be wirelessly connected to the computer as well. So we laid out everything that we have in the box. We have the RIGIL scanner, we have some markers, we got the strap, we got the charger for the battery that goes inside. We have the cable to hardwire to the computer, the box itself, and then we have the calibration board, some microfiber towels, and a charging brick. Yeah, why don't we put some batteries in here and then test it out?
So you just turned it on? Sweet.
Make sure you read the agreement, you know?
As you read it? So, you're reading it right now?
Oh, Wi-Fi. You see your RAM usage.
Oh, that's
how hot the scanner is. Battery percentage.
Damn.
For an Android unit. Tutorials. So as you can see, you could do laser and IR. This is a hybrid technology. All the controls are on here. Brightness. From unboxing to the first scan.
And this is not even the blue light mode. This is
IR mode.
IR.
Features.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. Yo, like you could pan.
That's actually pretty sick.
Like, yo, what do I need to scan more? All right, let's go. Scan again. Look at that.
That's pretty sweet, actually.
Look at that.
And it's real time. Like, literally, there's no lag between what we're seeing and what this computer is saying.
Wow, I've never had the experience of looking at the screen.
The screen that you're working on?
Because I'm always like looking to the side, looking at the computer, seeing what it's seeing.
That is huge, man.
Look at this rewind.
That's pretty fast. What? And it follows, it tracks with what you were doing too.
This is like really fast.
That is actually pretty sick.
And it's only utilizing 20% of the RAM.
So complete.
Continue.
What? That was fast. I'm just surprised because when I'm doing this on my computer, trying to scan with the other scanners, it takes a bit for it to load and all of that. But
yeah, but this is just wireless on here.
Amazing.
So right now I'm calibrating the scanner. Yeah, with the stand, what you do is you just kind of make a 90 to the table, and then you just move it to the orientation I want you to do it in. And it's pretty straightforward.
We'll be making a follow-up video soon where we put the RIGIL to work on more projects and share our hands-on thoughts. Before we sign off though, let's quickly touch on what makes this scanner stand out. The RIGIL is the world's first tri-mode 3D scanner, so it can run as a standalone device, connect wirelessly over Wi-Fi, or operate in traditional USB wired PC mode. It has multiple modes, from blue laser to infrared and hybrid modes for maximum flexibility, depending on if you need speed, detail, or marker-free tracking. And because it has a powerful built-in computer, you can process and review scans right on the device without a PC. So if you want to see how it performs in the shop and in the field, stay tuned for that. And if you're interested in the RIGIL, check out the link in the video description for more details on pricing, features, and more.